In this video, I want to guide you how to convert PDF to Word document for proper editing. This can be very simple and easy. The first you have to do is to open MS Word on your device. Make sure you have MS installed on your device. That is Word. Click on it and open the Word document on your device. Now come to this open button, click on it. Once you click on it, go to that particular place you have your PDF file saved. So let me click on browse. Then I'll go to desktop. I think I have it on desktop. Then MS class. Then let me make it a little bigger here. Then let's scroll down until I have the project. This is new project. Click on it, then click on open. Then wait a few seconds. This option comes up. Click on this OK button. Just wait a few seconds more. So we've been able to convert document into Word format. Now that's all, guys. We've been able to convert PDF format to Word document for proper editing on Microsoft Word. That's all. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.